Hi everyone. Today I'm sharing 10 sources that I have used to get plant containers for real cheap. In fact, I scored nearly 40 large containers for free and I will share how. It is spring, which means perfect timing for starting a garden, and garage sales. I bought many containers in garage sales as well as plant supports for very discounted rates. And you can even negotiate the price if you are picking a lot of garden stuff from a single garage sale. If you don't want to take a chance on wasting your time from one garage sale to another, try estate sales. You can see pictures of items on estate sale websites. I have bought several tea posts for just 50 cents each, big planters like this one for $20, several small containers for $2 to $3 each. Before we move forward, I want to ask you if you would be interested in seeing vlog style of videos on this channel. For example, garden tours. Please let me know in the comments. Restore is a thrift store for building home materials, and it is excellent source for a lot of gardening materials at very discounted rates. I have bought containers for as little as $1 or $2. I have also sourced several garden trellis materials to make tomato cages, chicken wires, etc. from here. You can find containers in other thrift stores as well, which will save you a lot of money. If you must buy brand new containers, fall is great time to do so. I bought 4 of these large containers for the price of one at Walmart during fall. I bought these for $2 each from Home Depot, these large ones for 50% off at Walmart. But we are in spring, and you may not find these discounted price just yet, so fabric containers may be a cheaper option. They come in many sizes and in sets of 3, 5, 10, and so on. I will link some in description. If you need a really large container at a discounted price, try these multi-purpose tubs from Walmart. These are 17 gallons in size, so these are really big and cost just $8 each. I have grown potatoes, sweet potatoes, and sunchokes in these, and I am currently growing blackberries in these. For 5-gallon containers, try the all-purpose buckets you can easily find for $4.48 in several stores. I love the handle too because I can move it easily around the garden. These buckets are taller than the usual 5-gallon plant containers, so these are great for growing root vegetables such as carrots and potatoes. Just remember, you need containers that are at least 5-gallon in size to grow plants that make fruits such as tomatoes, beans, etc. A 3-gallon container can be used to grow leaves such as kale, lettuce, herbs, etc. You can get 3-gallon containers from dollar stores as well in spring. The quality is probably not the same as the ones that are slightly more expensive, but it is not bad to try it out, especially if you are a beginner gardener running on a budget. I am always running on a budget, which is why I try to use free resources and reuse as much as I can. So, where to find some containers for free? Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace is a good option. But I scored more than 40 large plant containers from a very obvious store. Here is what I did. I am shy by nature, but I gathered my guts and called nurseries near me and asked this: do you give away used up planting containers? Big nurseries usually throw away the containers in which they grow large shrubs and landscaping trees. If you ask, some of them may be happy to just give it away for free or at a discounted price. For example, one nursery near my house even has a recycle area where they put in different types of used containers, and anyone who needs it can just go and pick some, which is how I got nearly 40 containers. You need to fill these containers with cost-effective potting mix also. I have covered it in detail on how to make it yourself on a budget in the video linked on the screen. Check it out next.